Hi friends, in this video we'll show you change lock screen wallpaper on Samsung Galaxy 2026 easy method guide. Now let's get started. First of all, unlock your phone, then open the settings app. Once you are in settings, scroll down a little, find the wallpaper and style option, tap to open them. In the menu, you can tap on the change wallpaper option. Here you can see the Samsung or your Android phone built-in wallpaper listed there. For this video I am using Samsung phone. So I am see Samsung wallpaper available here. If you decide to add your own photos as lock screen wallpaper, don't panic. Now this time go to the gallery menu, scroll further down to find the exact photo if you want to add your lock screen wallpaper. For example, I am using this photo my lock screen wallpaper. Tap to select it. After that, tap on done at the top. Now this time choose where to apply this wallpaper. For this video I am only set this wallpaper for my lock screen. So make sure to uncheck the home screen option and only select the lock screen option. After that, tap on the next option. In the menu, wait to open it. After that, you can also adjust the photo if you like, crop, image, everything if your phone support there. Everything is okay. Simply tap on the done option at the top and wait to completely process. And that's it. You can easily change lock screen wallpaper on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Thanks for watching.